Property managers are secretly the real estate world's unsung heroes, and I learned this the hard way when I thought I could skip hiring one to save money. Last year, I bought my first rental property thinking I'd handle everything myself. How hard could it be, right? Wrong. Within 3 months, I was dealing with a tenant who called me at 2 a.m. because their toilet was making weird noises. Not broken, just noisy. Another tenant tried to paint murals on the exterior walls without asking because they wanted to express their creativity. Then came the real nightmare. Water damage from upstairs flooded the unit below, and I had no clue how to coordinate repairs, temporary housing, or insurance claims. I was juggling angry tenants, contractors who spoke in code, and paperwork that might as well have been written in ancient hieroglyphs. That's when I swallowed my pride and hired Sarah, a property manager everyone said was expensive. Best decision ever. She handled the flood situation in 2 days, found temporary housing for affected tenants, and somehow turned the angry downstairs tenant into someone who actually thanked us for the quick response. Sarah showed me her toolkit of creative solutions. She keeps a network of 24-hour handymen, uses virtual tours to pre-screen tenants, and has a system for handling complaints that actually makes tenants feel heard. She even negotiated with the mural artist to create approved artwork in the courtyard instead. The controversial truth nobody talks about is that trying to self-manage properties without experience doesn't make you scrappy or cost-effective. It makes you a liability to your own investment. Sometimes the best strategy is admitting you need help from someone who's already mastered the game.